Hello everyone, feeling nervous or anxious about your November 24 direct taxation exam? Here I am to help you. I am here giving you the last hope plan and the examination tip. For the sake of passing, please do not miss this video and do not ever leave these chapters. If you are thinking to leave those chapters that I am going to tell you just in a minute, so you are making a big mistake. Do not do that. Just follow that and you'll pass in the examination. If you haven't done till yet anything, so this plan is for you only. At least do this much. I am making this video in English so that it can reach to the maximum students and can get benefited. So without wasting any further minute, I am just starting with what are the last hope plan that you need to do. See, you need to cover these chapters. What is Black Money Act? That will cover for 5 marks. This is the newly added chapter in the May 24 examination. The tax audit was asked. I am thinking that the May in the November 24 examination, the black money will be tested. Okay, then the trust taxation. Do not get into any misconceptions that the ICI is only asking the theory questions. Also complete the exit tax question has a higher chances to come in this attempt. Okay, then the transfer pricing, I have already given a important concepts topic, important concepts of this chapter or the other chapters as well. If you haven't referred that video, the link is in the description. Do refer that as well. What are the important topics for all these chapters? At least do that also. Okay, then the transfer pricing, it will come around 8 to 10 marks. Okay, then the equalization levy, it becomes absolutely important for an examination. 4 to 6 marks you can expect either in the MCQ or in the descriptive portion, but you will get equalization levy for 4 to 6 marks. Then GAR, it is a very important topic. Most probably the question number 6 will have a sub part of the GAR topic that will have a 4 to 5 marker question, and I have also provided a one pager summary of that GAR portion uploaded on my Telegram channel. If you haven't joined that till yet, please do join that. The link is also given in the description. Before watching or after watching this video, do compulsorily check the description box. Majority of the things are already given in the description box. Then capital gain chapter, do at least these topics: ULIP 9b 45 4, and then slub sale 55 50 AA. These are the topics which is very important for our exams. For these topics, the video is already uploaded on my channel. Do refer that if you haven't done anything on this. Okay, do refer that at least. Now, NR taxation, 8 marks compulsorily it will ask. Double taxation relief, 6 marks compulsorily it will ask. PGP adjustment sheet, the first compulsory question will be from the PGP. So at least if you haven't done or haven't touched the PGP chapter or till yet, do not worry, just complete the PGP adjustment sheet which I have uploaded, and it is a 38-minute video if I am not wrong. It is a 38-minute video. The video is in the Hindi. I am sorry for the English audience, I couldn't upload that, but for the Hindi audience, do prefer this video. The 38 minutes video will easily fetch you to 8 to 10 marks easily if the same question repeated with those adjustments, so you can easily score 14, 12 to 14 marks as well in the PGP question. That 38 minutes will help you. These 38 minutes will be a savior for your examinations. Then the last two and the ultra important things: the judicial updates and the statutory updates. The judicial updates and the statutory updates of the November 24 examination becomes ultra important for an examination. You can expect 6 to 8 marks question from these on these judicial updates and the statutory updates, and both the judicial updates and the statutory updates are testable in your examination. The judicial update of 194H, the Bharti cellular case, and the statutory update of the 194O is testable in the examination. Both are of the TDS or TCS chapter. So I haven't included the TDS TCS chapter in the last hope plan because there is one question from the TDS TCS chapter. But I am hoping from those three parts of the TDS TCS chapter, 3 to 4 parts of a one question, you will get 1 or 2 parts from the judicial updates or the statutory updates only. So I haven't included the TDS TCS chapter separately. At least do this only if you want to pass. Okay, if you want to pass, complete this whole topic. There is no substitute for these topics. just take a snapshot, or I'll also upload the same PDF in my Telegram channel as well. You can download it from there. Okay, these topics you cannot skip at any cost. Whether there is a whether you are seeing this on the exam day, at least cover all these topics, at least cover all these topics. If it is 12 noon, it is 12 noon on 9th of November. Check whether you have completed all these topics. If haven't, so so watch any revision video, any teacher's marathon or anything. Just complete these topics. You cannot afford to leave any topic of these chapters. And what are the important topics from these chapters as well? I have already uploaded a video yesterday on my group and the YouTube channel as well, on which you are watching the video. You'll also get in the video section the important topic list. Now, coming on to the exam day strategy. So what should be the exam day tip that you should follow to complete your examination on time and fetch the maximum marks for in your examination? See, scoring 60 to 80 marks is easy in direct taxation examination if you follow the right approach. Now, what is the right approach for the examination? Till now, what you have done, either completed the course conceptually or not completed the course conceptually, either you have taken the classes or not taken the classes, doesn't matter as of now. Now, what are the tips to enter the examination hall and write the examination for those 3 hours? These are the important topics. See, when you get the examination paper on 1:45, you get the examination paper on 1:45, there is a 15 minutes that you'll get. Okay, on 15 minutes, do not make mistake of reading question number 1. Do not make mistake of reading question number 1. This is a compulsory question. By anyhow you have to do this. You cannot leave this in option. So just do not read it. Okay. Next, question number 2 to question number 6. Read these questions one by one and mark or below all the sub points. This is from TP, this is from DT double A, this is from NR, this is from this is from this. Mark side by side and just take a glance through. Just take a glance through what topics you are able to answer, what all topics you are covered. If all the topic that you have covered, attempt that first. So in that 15 minutes, what should be your strategy? First, you should identify what one question I need to skip. So one thing that you need to decide in the 15 minutes is what topic you need to skip. Okay, this is the first topic that you first thing that you have to do in the 15 minutes. That will be fine to you. Okay, now also identify what questions, either it's question 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, what question you know the best. Identify 2 or 3 questions you know the best. Now, what you have to do at the 2 p.m. when you get the question, when you get the answer sheet, just start writing. After filling the details, obviously start writing the 2 to 3 best questions in first 1 or 1.25 hours. Complete 2 to 3 best known questions to you. Okay, at least cover this. By anyhow it will take 1.5 hours. Take it but cover it. Take it but cover it. Before 2 to 3 questions that you know the best, you will not jump on the MCQs. Okay, after 2 to 3 questions, jump on the MCQs and complete in 30 to 40 minutes. Do not give extra time. If any MCQ is taking extra time, just skip that MCQ as of now and move on to the another question. Okay, after at the end of all the MCQs completed, if there is 1 or 2 MCQs left, we will give time if needed. Okay, this is the second strategy. Now, then attempt the less known questions. You have done 2 to 3 best known questions, you have attempted the MCQs. Now you have to attempt what? The less known questions. Those are the questions which you know the less and you will get the less marks. Okay, so on that, if we get the less time, that will be okay, because already we do not know anything of it. So just give less time to it and give the maximum time to what you know. At least try to secure 40 to 50 marks from this only. If you are bad at any, and like hell, if you are bad at hell, so you can easily get 40 to 50 marks from this only. Easily get. easily. Okay, then attempt the less known questions. Then keep room for verifying calculations. In the practical subject, there this is the biggest mistake that the student do not give the time to verify calculations. In hurry, we make some silly mistakes in calculations. We may write anything. Suppose if there is a figure in the question in the calculator that it comes like 74324221. If this is the figure that comes into the calculator, we may in the hurry write 74314222. Yeah, 421. This is the silly mistake that we have done. Everything is to be perfect in our examination copy. So keep room for verifying the calculation, verify the everything that you have done. Now, final answer should be kept in the box that I have shown as well. The final answer should be kept in the box. This will help the examiner to identify what is your answer. If the examiner get the answer, if the answer matches, then the examiner can easily give you the marks without verifying every point. Without verifying every point, this can help you better. Okay, now don't give excess time to single question. If time consuming, then move on. Whatever you have done, just done, and then move on to the next question. If the time permits at the end, come back to this question and start solving. But do not from the start give excess time to any question. At the last we'll see what questions have had taken the excess time, and at the last we will solve them. Okay, now at least do not panic in your examination. This is the biggest mistake that students do. They get panic. They forgot what they also know. Because of the panic, they even do not able to write what they know. So do not get panic. If it is a hard paper, it will be hard for all over India. If it is a easy, so it will be a easy for all over India. You are not alone in this race. Just listen, you are not alone in this race. You have to give your best in these 3.3 hours or 3 hours 15 minutes. You have to give your best. Whatever you have done, whatever mistakes you have done till now in preparation, in anything, just forget and give your best in this 3 hours. This is the golden time to show your skills and show your knowledge in the examination copy. So do not get panic. Always be positive and think positive, and start with a positive note that I will see the successful written in my exam results. Everything will go perfectly then. Okay, so do not get panic, do not pressurize your mind. Just be calm, keep yourself calm, and write examination. Okay, then focus on what you know. Focus on what you know. This is the biggest tip I am giving to you. Focus on what you know. If there is a question paper that you get of suppose if the question paper in the question paper 80 marks is known to you, 20 marks question is not known to you, forget about these 20 marks. Do not cry over these 20 marks. Try to grab 80 at least. At least if you know this 80 marks, try to get 60, at least 60 in this. You'll get exemption. If you know 70, at least try to get 50. Just forget what you do not know. Just focus on what you know. You will definitely pass. I assure you, you will definitely going to pass this examination. You will going to see the successful in your examination. If you are here and you also want to see the examination result as successful, do write, do manifest that you will get the successful result in the comment section below. Then don't you don't require 100 marks to clear. For clearing there is only 50 marks. Getting the aggregate there is 50 marks, and there is this exemption, the 60 marks. Okay, if you don't know the whole 100 marks paper, leave it. We do not care. We do not care. We just need this. We just need this at this point of time. Okay, do not get panic of just solving the 100 marks question. If, I assure you, try to solve all 100 marks question, try to solve all 100 marks question. But if anything left, or if anything is not known to you, just do not get panic on that point. Okay, but try to solve 100 marks question. This is a strong advice from my side. Try to solve 100 marks question for sure. Okay, now so be calm and the positive, and at the last I'll say you'll definitely see successful in your examination. And at the last, I'll see, just manifest your result in the comment section. Just bombard the comment section with your comments, and and let me know that you will be going to pass in the November 24 examination in DT, and give the best result to yourself. Okay, so this is all from my side. If you need any help, I am available on the Telegram channel. You can join me there as well. So all the very best for your examination. Maybe I'll see you in tomorrow as well for some more tips, or doubts that may be helpful for you all. Till then, keep studying. This is the golden time. This time will not come again. Okay, all the very best for your examination.